In this video I'm going to show you an easy way to calculate percentages in Excel. So as you can see, I've got this Excel document over here with some categories like groceries, electricity, petrol and stuff like that, with the amount next to it and also a total of the amount. And what I want to do is I want to know the percentage of this amount of the total. So to achieve that, you need to go to the cell next to your amount, and here you can insert is, and we want to have this value, so it's B2, and we want to divide that by the total. But later in this video we want to drag this to the bottom, so this number or value need to be static. So to do that you need to insert the dollar sign. Now we go to B8, so $B, $8, and then you can hit the enter button. So now we got the percentage. If you don't see this percentage icon, you need to select this button over here, like this. And to add decimals, you need to select this button over here. Okay, so now we see the percentage of the total. And we want to do this for all the categories, so you can go to the bottom of the cell and then you can hold it and drag it down, like this. So now we see all the percentages of the categories, and if we select it from C2 till C6, you will see over here that the total is 100%. And this is an easy way to calculate percentages in Excel. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.